ecVision Comply, simplifying testing and compliance for brands, manufacturers, importers, and retailers. Since 2008, when the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission enacted the Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act, there's been an incredible rise in the number of regulated products. As you can see, under the jurisdiction of this government agency, there's been an increase each year to reach an all-time high in 2012 for now. And when you look at the number of government agencies that have added their 2 cents to the way goods are imported and sold in the United States, you can understand why retailers and brands are overwhelmed with the regulatory pressures. Then add the individual state regulations that compound these restrictions, and even when doing business in other countries, additional regulations are layered on to increase the complexity of manufacturing and selling apparel and footwear. Retailers are operating their supply chains in an environment of increasing complexity and ever-changing regulatory constraints. Managing trade regulations can be very complex, especially in the apparel industry, where there are other variables that contribute to the situation. For example, the high number of countries involved in the international sourcing and distribution channel. And with each new country of origin and destination added to an organization's portfolio, this could mean the addition of regulations and compliance requirements that have to be met. Without properly managing these regulations, delays or possible retention of items at customs can represent extra time and cost considerations. Aside from the government and state regulations that, if not followed, can lead to high fines, block sales, and costly recalls, you also need to be concerned about consumers and NGOs targeting brands that don't have good social, labor, or environmental due diligence programs, some of which is warranted, but not all. And with social media outlets, it could only take minutes to trash a brand's reputation. In order to produce reliable, high-quality products that your loyal customers expect, it's imperative for manufacturers, retailers, importers, and distributors to proactively evaluate textiles, trim, and components in the products they sell to ensure they are producing goods utilizing materials that meet any of the above regulations. You also need to document all of the activities related to product compliance based on global regulations, and at times provide consumer-accessible systems or websites to trace raw material components in your goods and production facility information. The challenges add up, and the reasons you need a solution are quantifiable. First of all, product testing and facility compliance issues continue to dominate the market, meaning it could only take one fine to cripple your organization. The business needs are agnostic to the size of the organization. Whether you're a brand, retailer, importer, manufacturer, you all carry the same liability. Your current systems for compliance are disparate and ineffective. Excel spreadsheets don't work anymore, and testing provider portals just aren't the efficient solution. Furthermore, IT involvement in a project isn't desirable, and this could be because you prefer not to integrate to your internal systems or complicate processes, or IT is tied up on other projects of higher priority. And last, implementation costs are too high, so a solution where licenses can be purchased with operating budget is preferable. So just what is ecVision Comply? To start, ecVision Comply is a risk management platform that revolutionizes supplier and product safety compliance. ecVision Comply is a data management and collaboration solution that minimizes risk and costs while improving speed and quality for brands and retailers in the apparel, footwear, and home textiles industry. And ecVision is a true cloud-based platform that unites brands, retailers, suppliers, audit companies, and testing labs, and provides benefits that span the full product development lifecycle from concept to compliance. ecVision Comply consolidates the tasks and information required for organizations to document, manage, and monitor their product safety testing and facility compliance auditing processes in a holistic view involving all parties. At the advanced level, the platform also provides a means to integrate BOM, supplier, and order data with audit and test data. And buyers can upgrade to ecVision Suite's best practices for product safety or facility compliance to add additional layers of protection against risk. The features in the basic level for product safety include the following. And at this basic level, you can have up to 15 internal or external users for $1,000 a month. The features include the ability to manually create and manage product masters and material masters and purchase orders. It comes with pre-built test templates based on the material attributes. Users can request, schedule, transmit component and product inspections to third-party testing companies. They can automate conformity certificate generation from test results and store all of the supporting documents, including certificates, lab results, and the like. You can also create and communicate test status reports and share them. And in the document library, you can share various documents and videos with all of the parties involved. We provide access to news feeds from internal and external sources like the CPSC and other agencies. And with the discussion tool, users can communicate with all of the users internally through the system. Next, we have the basic level for facility compliance. This enables up to 15 users, again, internal and external, to access the system for $1,000 a month. In this platform, you can manually create and manage supplier masters, deploy self-assessment spreadsheets or web forms, or use the pre-built audit forms by type, CTPAT, chemical, social, etc. Users can request, schedule, transmit audit requests to third-party auditors, and manage ongoing and recurring retests and audits. Additionally, they can manage all of the corrective action plans and record test or audit results offline and upload them when tethered back to the internet. Certificates of conformity are also automated and generated from the system based on audit results. And the storage of supporting documents, again, is capable. Users can create and communicate audit status reports and share documents and videos in the document library. The same access to news feeds is provided, as well as the discussion tool for communication. At the advanced level, all of the basic features, plus some of the following, are included for up to 50 users for $5,000 a month. Some of the additional features include the ability to integrate from existing systems tech packs and BOMs. Also, supplier data and PO data can be integrated using the Excel upload and download tools that are already pre-configured in our system. Users can manage product testing templates and manage audit forms additionally. And there are other high-level features that simplify all of the processes, like additional reports and views. ecVision is partnered with some of the industry's leaders in product testing, certification, and factory auditing. So linkage will be pre-built and delivered in the platform to ease communication between these third-party providers, including testing labs, auditing companies, certifying organizations, and suppliers. And these linkages then provide out-of-the-box integration through a standard interface to submit and receive test or audit data with all of our external partners. It's simple to get started with ecVision Comply for your organization. A solutions consultant will explain the application and licensing purchase options over the phone or via the web. Then our team will help set you up on your own system so you can start managing your compliance and testing programs more efficiently today. For more information, contact us at ecvcomply@ecvision.com.